Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce my name is Sandri Maulana Asri, with student identification number 200X62X3. Alright, here we will make them exam for English courses on how to useful. Here I talk about how the technique in the game basketball. Basketball is an example a big ball sport. This game plays by competing two basketball teams and fasting over the ball to be put into the opponent's ring. The first technique that is one technique of passing or throwing the ball. Technique 1. Just pass. Example why to practice. This pass is to bounce the ball off the wall in front of you. Technique 2. Overhead pass. The above way to do this pass is with both hands, holding the ball and push it to net your head and bending your. By lifting off the prop of the hand, the ball drops until the hand position becomes straight. Technique 3. Bounce pass. This operation is done by bounce the ball to the floor. This pass is made to get pass legs open and hard to reach dimensions. Bounce pass the operation is done by means of upright body. Technique 4. Dribble. This technique can be done with one or two hands. Be set on the head of the ball. Dribble is divided into two types, namely high dribble and low dribble. Sekianlah praktek dari cabang olahraga bola basket. Bagaimana cara menggunakan teknik chest pass, bound pass, overhead pass, dan dribbling. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan. Terima kasih perhatiannya. Jadi, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.